Welcome back to day 24 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. In today's tutorial, we'll be tackling an interesting problem where we'll be printing a hollow right-angled triangle of m rows using numbers starting from 1. Here's the problem statement. Given a number m, we need to print a hollow right-angled triangle with m rows using numbers starting from 1. The triangle will have empty spaces inside to form the hollow pattern. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer representing m. Output. The output should be m rows containing the numbers starting from 1 as a hollow right-angled triangle shown in the sample output. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help our community grow.